Let me see that real quick. What's up, guys? Hailapex here with
Nikki.
And we're opening Evolutions, Breakthrough, and Sun and Moon 3-packs. 3-packs. Nikki's gonna open Evolutions. So, I'll start with Sun and Moon.
Okay.
I'll open mine up. Let me see which way the code goes for this one.
No matter second.
Nah. Okay. Got a Growlithe. Oh, I like that artwork. That's awesome. Maybe we could put him up here with Magmar. Ah! Maybe. Maybe. Fell. Hashtag fell. Ah, my picture fell over. Crab Roller. Marine Annie, I don't know. Roggenrola. Alolan Rattata. Rotom Dex. Team Skull Grunt. Full art. Whee!
You can open the first
That's
one.
amazing. Energy. Alolan Raticate. Wishy-washy. Wishy-wash. Wishy-washy? I don't know. And Ho, you want to open yours up?
Sure. I can open it.
Let's open it right here, man. You can go through the Pokemon cards. Oh, I destroyed that pack.
Some of them I might have. I don't really know.
Here you go, man. Gotta do it in front of the camera.
Magnemite. Caterpie. Rattata. Charmander. Caterpie.
You gotta show the camera.
Digimon.
Wow, 2 common Caterpies in there.
Wait. Up.
Dugong.
Dugong.
He's blocking the light. Poliwhirl, Trainer,
and Magnemite.
a Potion, Maintenance. Back up. Back up. And now Breakthrough. Which way is the code in this one? Oh, whoops. We got something awesome. Sandshrew, Cubone, Noibat, Pikachu, Magnemite, Azure Break. No. Octillery Hollow, Bridget, Stunfisk, Buddy Rescue. And that's this video, guys. We got Octillery, Azure Break, quit. Team Skull Grunt full art. So not bad. Not bad. Way to go, guys. High five. Okay, that's this video, guys. Leave a like, comment, sub. I'm out.